Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMinDayTrader. Of course, we always like to take a look at the market profiles. This is a lettered market profile from today, and this is its corresponding volume market profile. And here's what we had overnight. So we were expecting the market to test that 98.50 area, which it did do. So it closed here yesterday, went up and hit that, and also extended it by it was 3.5 points. And then when the regular trading hours open, they open right at that 98.50, and then I had a little bit of a dip here, but then tested up and made a new high compared to the overnight. But that's when the sellers entered and basically sent the market down for the rest of the day. So the fact that we have held below 98.50, really looking at that area as being pretty good resistance, at least for the time being. Although would not be surprised if the market once again tests above there. If it can close above the 98.50, I think that will be fairly bullish. Although we've had a pretty good up movement here the last I think it's 7 trading sessions. So we're about due for a bit of a pullback. So it would not surprise me if the market did pull back. Of course, 73 is the known very strong support. 73 to 77. I'm not saying it's going to get back down there tomorrow, but that is the strong support area should there be a sell-off perhaps tomorrow or on Friday. This up movement that we have had for these several days is certainly not all that convincing, and so I'm expecting a pullback here at some point. And take a look here at the next chart. We can see the individual. These are just daily profiles, so all of these profiles do not include the overnight session, so that you can see the volume is in behind the letters to give us an idea of where the volume is coming in compared to the amount of time that the market has spent when those profiles are actually formed. As far as our trades were concerned today, we only had a couple of trades today. We had 2 short trades today. We had a short trade right in here, and the market did reach our first objective, but unfortunately we're break even on it. We had another trade in here, got short in here, and it did hit our first objective, just missed the second one, so we ended up with a break even on that, moved a little over a point in our favor. We had another opportunity in here to get short, but this would have been a trade that was really kind of had to read between the lines on that one. So it wasn't really one of our system trades. We only really had 2 system trades today. As you can see, the market came down here and sort of gave us one of those, well, the initial test lower here, a new low, bounce, new low, bounce, new low, bounce. So, you know, it's kind of doing one of those, you know, sort of a saucer shaped thing here. So I think the market wants to test that 98.50 area, but I think we need to monitor that to see if the market can hold above, and if it does, then we'll probably have another test up and around the 1103 area. Any questions or comments, just give us a holler. We're at info@eMinDayTrader.com. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for taking the time to view this, and we'll see you again tomorrow.